Good morning, you guys. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another college week of my life. Today is Monday. So far today I worked out. I did one assignment, and then I've been working on studying for a quiz and like reading everything. So I read like 2 chapters of a textbook, and now I need to listen to a podcast. And then yeah, so I just been doing some schoolwork. It's 2 o'clock right now. Oh my gosh, the day is flying by. Wanted to welcome you to the vlog. Hello. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Oh my gosh, okay, my video uploaded an hour ago. I uploaded my room tour video. If you guys want to see that, links down below, but I need to do promo for it, which basically means that I just post about it on Instagram, and then I'll just respond to a few comments. If this is like a good sitting spot. Oh, it kind of is. Okay, well, I got a package in the mail. Thought I would go through it. I ordered some clothes from Garage. I've never shopped there before, but I've heard that they have really good stuff, and I wanted to try it out. My little shop's there, and I like her clothes a lot. I don't have a lot of clothes that I want to wear anymore, so I actually ordered more stuff, but it's just coming in 2 packages. So a little haul for you. Oh, these might be like huge on me, or they might fit, and I'm just they'll probably fit. Yeah, these are just some mom jeans that I got. Thought they were cute. I don't know, I can't tell if they're big or not. I guess I'll try them on. These light wash mom jeans. I love mom jeans because they're just so baggy. Eat as much food as you want and no one will know. I also ordered this tank top, yellow, it's really cropped. It's more cropped than I thought it was. I ordered a lot of these. I feel like these are low-key like workout material, but these like just simple. I ordered just a lot of tank tops and just like cropped things and just things that are like easy to throw on and wear. This is a bodysuit. It's red. It's ribbed. The back, so freaking cute, right? Do you see that? It's open. This is another bodysuit that I ordered. Like a 1-sleeve snake print. I like don't go out in public ever, so that's why I mostly ordered comfy clothes, but I was like, okay, a cute bodysuit just in case. This is the same as the blue top, but I also got it in white, and this kind of reminds me of like a swimsuit. Like it's thicker, so hopefully it's not see-through. If it is, I'll just wear a bra. And then this is the same top that yellow was, but in like a greenish color. This is free sole. Oh yeah, cute. It's just like an oversized tee. Here's the back, kind of an edgier vibe. This one is really cute. Crop t-shirt says New York on it. And then I also got this one that says Los Angeles, City of Angels. Cute. And then this top, it reminds me of like a workout top, so it's not like as like going out. Well, I won't be going out, but you know what I mean. I thought it'd be like cute for photos. Emerald green, like off the shoulder. Yeah, it is like, yeah, that just, yeah, okay. I don't know how I feel about that. Typically, just because of insecurities, I cover my stomach more in clothes. These are more cropped than I thought, but either I'll return, or I guess I don't know if I'll return them. Either I'll get over the insecurity or just not wear them or return them. Stay tuned. Little haul for you. That was the most boring haul ever. I kind of want to try these on, but I feel like I don't have enough time in the day. It's already 2 o'clock, and I still have, I have an assignment that's, you can't even see me. I just ran into my lamp. I have an assignment that's due today, so I need to obviously do that one. Today is just one of those days. I just woke up from a nap. It's now 4:50. I was napping for a really long time. Now I'm going to take a test, and then I'm going to go over to my friends to make dinner because all my roommates have like chapter, and I'm not in my sorority anymore, so I was like, I don't really want to listen to it. It doesn't interest me. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do, but I need to take this test. I'm also so exhausted. Do you ever take naps and you feel more tired after? Also, cold water after you nap. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? How it just like hits different, you know? My room is a mess. Now it's time to clean it up.
Where we were in relation to what the client wanted on the client brief.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday. Right now I'm currently getting ready because I need to film a sponsorship. This is one of the tops. Cute, right? But it kind of shows my role. Whatever. I thought this would be fun. I went to my class and then I did some homework, and then I took my first hot shower in like a month, which felt so nice. So now I'm just getting ready, like I said, to film, or just to take one sponsored photo. It's literally just a main feed post, so hopefully one of my roommates will offer to take that. But I thought that while I get ready, I could spill some low-key tea. Okay, so this is tea. Well, I don't know. I just thought I would update you guys about my my life and kind of tell you the issues that I've been having, and let me know your thoughts and your opinions about it. So basically, my apartment complex, we've been having issues with her, and by her I mean the management of my apartment complex. Oh my gosh, I want to like tell the story but not give away where I live, because that would be really bad, and I'm sure that people find out where I live, but if you do, please keep that information to yourself and don't tell people on the internet, just for like my safety. Over the summer, I was looking at the website trying to find the floor plan, and I noticed that they changed the price of the complex, and so basically they were charging us $300 more a month. They shortened our lease to, it was either 9 or 10 months from the original 12-month lease. And so at first I was like, this can't be legal, right? Our lease doesn't even say how much we were paying on it. Apparently that's how it is legal, is because we never, I want to tell the story, but there's like some background story that you need to hear, but I can't really tell you because then it like releases the information of where I live. But basically, just keep in mind, they increased our rent price $300 a month, shortened our lease. We were paying more money to live here for 9 months than we would for 12 months from the original like amount that we were supposed to be paying. So they screwed us over. I called so many people because there's like a bunch of different like lines, people that you would go through. Every single time I would call people, they'd be like, we can't help you. And so basically I was like, well, this just sucks. Like I signed a lease, I can't really get out of it, but they're doing this to me and to my roommates. We move in here, we're like, okay, whatever. Like we have the lease, there's really nowhere else to live because everything is signed everywhere else. And then we move in here and they, oh my gosh, I'm sure that everyone who lives in an apartment complex knows that management is horrible for pretty much every apartment complex, and that there's always things wrong and that no one cares. Things that went wrong, they closed our pool and our gym and like our study center, which I honestly expected because there's COVID. There's a lot of other apartments that would do times, like there's a ton in Tempe that are doing like, you sign up for a time slot for the gym or for the pool. And our apartment complex, when we moved in, they're like, oh yeah, we're like opening in a week, we're just doing some maintenance. We'd ask someone and they'd be like, ask this person. So we'd ask this person, and then this person would be like, oh, ask that person, but we already asked that person. So we just kept going back and forth, like no one gave us an answer. Every time they told us an answer, it'd be something different. We just kind of accepted. We were like, okay, the pool's not gonna open. I didn't really care that much. My roommates cared more because they work out at the gym more than I do. Our packages kept getting, I need to get ready while I talk, oh my gosh. They only accept packages from 10 to 2, which they are saying that is regular business hours. 9 to 5 is regular business hours. Our packages kept getting declined because they weren't accepting them. I had a roommate who gets her medication shipped and it kept getting declined. I had a package that was supposed to ship from Amazon. It was literally going to ship within 1 day. It took a week to get to me because they kept declining our packages. 2 packages that they lost, it was delivered, still don't know where they are. And so they were doing that. The management was just honestly really mean to us. And then we haven't had hot water. Our hot water, we probably had cold water like 75% of the time since we moved in. And they told us, they were like, okay, so the reason why is because the unit next door, there's no one living there yet. People hadn't moved into it yet. And they're like, once people move in, you'll get hot water. People moved in and our water got even colder, and this is like a building-wide thing, like it wasn't just us. And we were trying to make sure we're not using like the dishwasher, the laundry machine while we're doing this, just to try to figure out a way to get hot water. We haven't had hot water pretty much since we moved in. I think I've taken maybe like 2 hot showers and the rest have been cold. Every time I tell this to people, they're like, oh, well, like you should be taking cold showers. Cold showers are so refreshing. This is not the kind of refreshing cold shower, like chilly cold water goes through your scalp. This is the kind of water that feels like ice is being poured on you, that you want to cry when you're in it because it's so uncomfortably cold. And so we have complained multiple times, and it's not just us, it's the whole building who's complaining. We've complained to like our person that's in charge of our floor. We complained to the management. We've complained to like the owner of the building. We've complained to a ton of people, and basically nothing was happening. So we were honestly ready to move out. We were like going to figure out how to break our lease because we were like, they're charging us so much money. We don't even have a 12-month lease. We don't have hot water. The management could not care less. All these other things. Other buildings have their gyms and pools open. Why don't we just move out? One of my roommates, Chloe, has this talent writing really professional, mean emails. Like this is like her calling in life. And so she found basically every single senior management position for the people that own my apartment complex and sent them this extremely long email stating all of our concerns, who we've reached out to, what our concerns are, how they're violating Arizona law by not giving us sufficient amount of hot water. And she was saying like she's not afraid to like contact lawyers or media outlets to show like how this apartment complex is like exploiting students during a pandemic. Oh, also I forgot to mention that since they increased our rent, we actually found out that the unit below us, we know the people that live there, they got their rent and their lease term back to the original price in like term that it was supposed to be. And so we were like, okay, why are they doing that for some people but not for others? Like, we have complained, we have so many times, and we were unaware that pretty much the only way to get anything done is to have your parents call. Chloe sent this email on a Sunday night at like 10 o'clock. Within 8 minutes, someone emailed her back, which I was like shocked. I was like, this guy is checking his email at like 10 o'clock at night on a Sunday. But it was the senior like finance officer in charge of like the apartments and everything, and they had a phone call yesterday. And so we were like ready to move out. Like, we were literally like going downstairs. We were just about to go downstairs and ask them like how much it would cost to break our lease. If it was too much, we obviously wouldn't have done it, but like if it was a decent price, we were like ready to do it. Basically what's happening, we are so lucky that this guy like responded to her. He was so sweet. He basically got it so where we are now living here 12 months. We're paying the same amount, if that makes any sense. They changed our lease so we don't pay utilities, but they charge us $300 more a month each. $1,500 for a 5-bedroom apartment for 1 month of utilities that like did not add up. So we're paying the same amount of chunk that they upcharged us. We're still paying that same upcharge, but we're living here for 12 months and we're not paying for those 12 months. So how it breaks up is we're paying the original amount that we were supposed to plus $500 to cover utilities, and that is what we're paying. So they're not changing our price, but they're just changing our term. And so basically for 3 months we're not paying to live here because they screwed us over. And then the guy like told my roommate Chloe, he was like, okay, well, I'm gonna make some calls and get some answers and I'll let you know by the end of the business day what they say. And this worker that works at our apartment complex that has been extremely rude to us like came upstairs and found our apartment, and she was like, hi, like, do you guys have hot water? She's normally so rude to us, and she was so nice. So I'm assuming he chewed her out, which I do feel guilty about. I wanted to update you guys on that whole thing because I honestly might do a story time because I'm leaving a lot out so it doesn't expose where I live. But we were just like ready to move out, and I was like, it's gonna be like interesting for the videos if we move out, but it doesn't look like we are now. Low-key other tea that I'm not sharing right now, that's still like forming. It's kind of like premature to talk about. There's other stuff that is happening. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about my apartment issues. Also, how they're like fixing our like lease. They're only doing it for us. They're not doing it for everyone else, which I was like, I don't think that's legal. So literally like what they were doing, how they increased our lease was illegal, but they pretty much like just hope that no one would notice and that they like alter it for the people that do notice, but the people that don't, they don't alter it. Does that make any sense? I hope it does. Screw it up. And I would never live here again. I would never recommend living in this building. If you guys are considering, if you know where I live, like if you're like, oh, I can easily figure out what building that is, don't live here. But yeah, that is the tea on that. It took me a really long time to explain that.